Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you double tap your iPhone unlock the secret feature Apple never told you about. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Imagine being able to control your entire iPhone with just 2 taps on its back. No joke, it's a feature called back tap, and most people have no idea even it exists, and Apple has been hiding it in the settings for years. And with every new update, it just keeps getting smarter and more powerful. Anyone who knows how to use it properly can literally turn their iPhone into a super tool. So what you need to do here is you'll find this feature in the settings like this. So simply head over and open up the settings. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select accessibility. Inside accessibility, what you need to do is select touch, and now once you're inside here, scroll down and you'll find an option that says back tap. Simply tap this, and now here what you need to do is you will see 2 options: double tap, triple tap. Each of them can be assigned to a different action. Like by double tapping it, you can lock the phone, and you can also head over back and then select triple tap, and then you will find the options like app switcher, camera, control center, flashlight, front camera, home, lock rotation, lock screen, mute, notification center, screenshot as well. Then we just select screenshot, and then when you tap on the back, the selected action will take a screenshot. You can do a lot more than that. So how can you use it smartly? Most people use it for simple things like the flashlight or screenshots, but this feature becomes seriously powerful when you combine it with the shortcuts app. That's when it turns from a fun trick into a real superpower. For example, you can create a shortcut in the Shortcuts app that does this. When you double tap in the back of your phone, it turns alarm off and Bluetooth off. So how you can do that is double tap turns alarm on and Bluetooth off. Open the Shortcuts app, it's pre-installed on your iPhone. So head over back to your home screen. Then if you don't find it, simply scroll down, then type in Shortcuts on this search bar, and the app will be shown right here, and you will find them on the utilities. And tap the plus icon on the top right, and then create a new shortcut in the search bar. Type set alarm. In the actions, type in set alarm, then simply select add alarm. Now choose set alarm and set it on. In the same screen, search for set button right here, and choose set blue and set it to off. Simply tap off right here, then go back 1 page by simply tapping on the back, then tap the new shortcut, and then choose rename and name it, or simply tap on by simply long tapping it, tap on rename, then choose rename and name it alarm on and Bluetooth off. Done and save it. Now you have created a ready to use shortcut. Go back to the settings, then head over accessibility once again, and then scroll down and tap on touch. And now scroll down, then tap on back tap once again. Now choose double tap on the top. Now scroll to the bottom and you will find your shortcuts alarm on and Bluetooth off. Simply select that, and that's it. From now on, whenever you double tap on the back of your iPhone, it will automatically turn the alarm on and turn Bluetooth off. Very important notes: if you try this method with Wi-Fi, it might not turn Wi-Fi on. If it's completely turned off, it can open the Wi-Fi settings instead, because Apple restricts programmatic control over Wi-Fi for security and battery reasons. If your phone doesn't respond to tapping, your case might be too thick. Try using a thinner case, and remember, tap gently, not hard. The sensor works with vibration, not force. Light taps are enough. In iOS 26.1, you can even make it work while the phone is locked, even if you set up the shortcut correctly. This feature is great for simple users, but its true power appears when you connect it with Shortcuts app, which lets you perform smart actions with just 1 or 2 taps on the back of your iPhone, exactly as I showed you. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.